Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. So excited to have y'all here. I'm really excited. We started week 4. We're halfway through the course, starting the second half. A lot of cool things. So we talked a lot about perceptual responses and sensory responses. Now we're getting into the third type, which is technical responses. Technical visuals that allow people to understand technical systems. And that's what we're going to be focusing on this week. Now, keep in mind, you have your discussion post on Tuesday, the initial post, and you also have lecture on Tuesday. Plus, all the announcements are built with the rubrics. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll have your grades back on Friday, as always. Other than that, let's get into it. So yeah, we're going to talk about technical responses this week. A lot of cool things that go into that. So technical responses, just as an overview, are responses gathered from features or systems or something that's technically built. They help These are visuals that help make it easier to navigate and understand these technical systems. Now, a lot of times we have to go back and refer to the 5 major design rules of designing something technically, which involves simplicity, how simple it is to understand it; proximity, where things are laid out; clarity, how clear everything is to understand; engagement, is it engaging, is it fun to use; and then navigation as well, is it easy to navigate. These are all really good design concepts that we have to take into building a technical response from a visual. And there's a lot of good examples that show good technical responses. For example, drop-down menus. Drop-down menus are great. They help add more options and allow it for users to select them without having to type everything in. A GIF, which is a graphic image frame, graphical image frame, and that deals with just something fun, easy to understand, much like the Homer Simpson with the donut. That's a looping thing, but it's a cool video or a visual that has people coming back for them. And also highlighting options. That's another element right here that does a very good job of like highlighting what page you're on or where everything goes with that. So yeah, they all kind of play a part with that. Now, we're going to talk about these points over time. We're going to talk about visual organization principles, Gestalt principles versus user experience. We're going to talk about aesthetics and their importance, and also visual connectivity and their relationships. And that's pretty much it. So, lecture on Tuesday, all the announcements out, all the rubrics. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, can't wait to see y'all. Looking forward to it, and I'll see you on lecture on Tuesday. Enjoy. Take it easy. Bye-bye.